Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be doing a stock prediction for NBEV, New Age Beverages. We're going to be talking about this company, so smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get started and predicting what the next working days prediction is going to be for New Age Beverages for NBEV. We're going to be talking about what I'm going to predict.
I just made $5 million. $5 million. That's $5 million the past month investing. As you can see, I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
Let me tell you about my day so far. Coffee in Paris, surfed the Maldives, took a little nap on Mount Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, and I got digits from this Polish chick in Rio. And then I jumped back for the final quarter of the NBA Finals. Courtside, of course. And all that was before lunch. I could go on, but all I'm saying is, I'm standing on top of the world.
Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be doing a stock prediction for NBEV, New Age Beverages. We're going to be talking about this company, so smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get started and predicting what the next working days prediction is going to be for New Age Beverages for NBEV. We're going to be talking about what I'm going to predict and the highs and the lows, and whether you should buy this company, whether you should sell, whether it's going to crash. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. And I've made so many videos on New Age Beverages, so check my other New Age Beverage videos out, and don't forget to check out the rest of my upcoming videos for New Age Beverages. So when we look at New Age Beverages, we're predicting for the next working days prediction, according to Stock Predictor, is going to be the highest price will be $5.30. $5.30. This is what we're predicting the highs are going to be for the next working day, for this Monday. And the close price is going to be $5.15. This is what we're predicting, from the current price of $5.10. So when we look at New Age Beverages, NBEV, we could see that the overall price is 56. The fundamentals are 62. The short-term technical is a 60, and we can see the long-term technical is a 46. So when we look at the analyst forecast, we can see the highs for the next 12 months can be all the way at $11. That's a 115% gain. So we can see a doubling in the price for New Age Beverages. and we can see the median price, the middle price that we're predicting for the next 12 months is $9. $9. While the low, we're predicting that the low is going to be $8. And we can see that this company has been losing money, but the average analyst recommends this company to be a buy. But we can see for the short term, it's looking like a sell, almost a sell, as we can see. We can see over here that the historical growth grade has been F. We can see, we can look at the free cash flow, the cash from, we can see right here that the ROIC is also in the negatives. The cash from OA in the negatives. The earnings per share, negatives. So we can see there's a few negatives about this company, but there's also positives. We shouldn't forget about the positives. Let's focus on the positive. The positives is the gross profit, the sales, and the equity. So this it's not looking all bad for this company, New Age Beverages, NBEV. But the bad news is the return on sales, we can see, is on minus 11%. We can see the return on assets at a minus 5.2%. The profit margin at a minus 6.8%. The return on equity at a minus 12%. And the quick ratio of 0.70 suggests that a company does not have enough cash to cover immediate liabilities. This is bad news. This is not looking good. So if the stock market crashes, this company's falling in the toilet. So we can see the minus 41 suggests that a company has negative free cash flow and probably will not be able to pay off its long-term debt. That's not good either. We can see the margin of safety, which is the intrinsic value of the stock and its market price, is a minus 100. So there's also a lot of negative things about this company. We can see that the TI alert is at a almost sell. Some of the charts move to the negative area. That's essentially what's going on with this company. And we can see all these graphs over here, like the relative strength, the slow and fast stochastics, and we look at the MACD. We can see that there's mixed activity going on with this company. There's a mixed facts on whether that determine whether this company is a buy or a sell. The average volume looking healthy. This is what people have been saying about stock twits. You can see Potluck saying buy now before it's too late. This is only 36 minutes ago. Buy. Buy. Last chance. Thank me later. Bullish. You can see Jeff Heath bought back in 497 today. There's sure a lot of bears around. He's bullish too. You can see Then Miscomaniac entered the position today. Candle looks bullish reversal. At least Monday will be green, in my opinion. So some of these people are looking bullish. We could see XMP 55, ACB, Tilray, Kronos, CGC, New Age Beverages. Damn, doesn't seem hard at all to make your own cannabis oil. Sell under table. He seems to be bullish too. Comparing the growth rate, this chart mill, comparing the growth rate of the last 5 years to the rate of the upcoming 2 years, we should see that the growth. And they go further on the chartmill.com. I guess that person has their own website. You guys check it out if you guys want. Pivy Wiz, we could see, congrats to Bears this week. I may not agree with how you made money, but you still made money, which is not always easy in this market. This guy is funny. And we can see Cedro, CJ Roberts. Let's see, y'all check this out, right? It ain't over till the fat lady sings. And we can see a funny meme over here. And NBEV, we could see more memes. So, FU Bears. Seems like a lot of, there seems to be like a hype going on. Like, any chance to cover this tomorrow? You guys are paid shield. This is quality brand. I drink their green tea regularly. I expect this baby to make some gains on Monday. So I guess some people trust New Age Beverages as a brand. Whoa. We can see, I guess this person showing some kind of product over here. You can see Chimp Lord says NBEV brought more at $4.99 this morning. Got my average down into the 5s. Holding long. Patience fan. And you can see visual 24 chickens. Watchers bailed out. Let them eat losses. So all these people are supporters of NBEV. Aside from the chicken who I respect, NBEV has the dumbest bears on ST. I find it pathetic on stock. I find it pathetic to bash a stock with no facts for personal gain. There seems to be like cult-like behavior. Like everybody seems to want to support New Age Beverages, and if you say anything negative about it, people. This actually has been common with most cannabis stocks. I try to give a honest feedback, looking straight at the fundamentals, not my opinions. And people seem to get upset when I point out the negatives in a company. And I'm trying my best to balance it out with the positives too. Like I've been mentioning all the positives about New Age Beverages. So just because I mention something negative, people shouldn't get mad about it. It's not. It doesn't mean that I'm recommending people to sell New Age Beverages. I never said that people should short. I don't even believe in shorting. So we could see Vestido 82. This is down 45 straight days. Here we're talking about Expo and stuff. How about one green day? Let's not jump the gun, people. So that person, he seems like he's in fear, but these are all recent comments, recent posts. I haven't left yet. I have just been exercising my right to capitalistic endeavors. CBD will be huge. We got a funny Dave Chappelle meme over there. So a lot of people and see NBEV with CEO who is making a difference. So people seem to believe in it. So if you're a believer, go ahead and buy it. If you're not a believer, don't buy it. Simple as that. I told you guys, I shared you guys the best fundamentals I can for NBEV at this point. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what's going to happen in the upcoming weeks. And I'll make a follow-up video And when things change, I'll follow it up and talking about the differences in the fundamentals and technicals. So if you guys want more, and if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, check out all my other New Age beverage videos. Make sure you guys look forward to my new Age beverage videos in the upcoming future. But for right now, I have released a lot of New Age beverage material. We need to check out what's going to happen in the next few weeks, because there hasn't been any major news in the short term. So we just have to wait it out and see what happens. And I'll keep you guys up to date if any of the fundamentals change. So smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment below, let me know what you guys think, if I left anything out. And thank you for watching.
One thing about this company is that they've a certain proximity from the personification of redundant axioms presupposed upon tautological repetitions, and enhance their paradoxical paradigms through redundant innovations. Warren Buffett, the billionaire investor, once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful," by billionaire Warren Buffett. And essentially what this means is, when traders are greedy, they'll keep on buying and driving the price up, and thinking that it's going to keep on going up and up and up. But eventually what ends up happening is the stock ends up tumbling back down to earth from the moon because of greed. And people, that's how people lose a lot of money. And when Warren Buffett says be greedy when others are fearful, what he means is that when others are fearful because the stock plummets and everyone starts selling their stocks at a discount, that's the time you want to start buying companies. That's the right time to buy. But usually people start selling. People call it a crash, and that word crash scares people. Really? Let's change the definition. Instead of crash, let's call it a discount. That's essentially what it is. A discount. That's really what it's all about. So as we can see, the Fear and Greed Index by CNN, what emotion is driving the market right now? What emotion? Right now, the greed is driving the market right now. And the reason for that is, as we can see, the McKellen Volume Summarization Index measures advancing and declining volume on the New York Stock Exchange. During the last month, approximately 8.23% more of each day's volume has traded in advancing issues than in declining issues, pushing this indicator forward the upper end of its range for the last 2 years. And as we can see, the stock price strength, that was the breadth, with the stock market
stock price strength, the number of stocks hitting 52 weeks highs exceeds the number of hitting lows and is at the upper end of its range, indicating extreme greed. As we can see, that's why the market kept going back up and up. As we can see, it's in the greed territory. As we can look at the safe haven demand, the difference in 20-day stock and bond returns, stock have outperformed bonds by 2.92 percentage points during the last 20 trading days. This is close to the strongest performance of stocks relative to bonds in the past 2 years, and indicates investors and rotating with stocks from the relative safety of bonds. And when we look at the put and call options, the CBOE 5-day average, the put-call ratio during the last 5 trading days, volume and put options has lagged volume and call options by 36.82%, as investors make bullish bets in their portfolios. However, this is among the lowest levels of put buying seen during the last 2 years, indicating greed on the part of investors. And when we look at the market volatility, the VIX and its 50-day moving average, the CBOE volatility index is at 15.72. This is neutral reading and indicates the market risks appears low. And when we look at the junk bond market, the yield spread between junk bonds versus investment grades, investors in low quality junk bonds are accepting 1.74 percentage points in additional yield over safer investment grade corporate bonds. This spread is much higher than what has been typical during the last 2 years, and indicates that investors are highly risk averse. When we look at the market momentum, the S&P 500 and its 125-day moving average, the S&P 500 is 1.04% below its 125-day moving average. During the last 2 years, the S&P 500 has typically been above this average. So rapidly declines like this indicate extreme levels of fear. So as we can see, the greed index right here, the greed over time, we are hitting the peaks. We are heading towards the peak greed moments. However, that being said, we still have more greed to go. So if you're heavily invested, this might be the time to get prepared for a downfall. As we can see, that way when you have cash at hand during times of extreme greed, extreme fear, you can buy stocks and from good companies at discounts. When we look at VictorVest Stock Advisory says that in the short term, the market is mildly bullish. VictorVest advocates buying safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price at this time.
just made $5 million. $5 million. That's $5 million the past month investing. As you can see, I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions. I have two goals. My first goal is to help you become a millionaire just like me. My second goal is to turn my 100 million into 100 billion. Like this video, leave a comment on the company or stock that you want me to analyze. I go over graphs, charts, news, quotes, forecasting, prices, rating, and reviews. My job is to help you pick the best companies and stocks to invest in so you can become a multi-millionaire. That's multi-millionaire like me. Subscribe so you can become a millionaire and share this video to help your friend become a millionaire too. Don't miss out. Stay on top of your game and ahead of the curve. The world is your oyster. Make hay while the sun is shining. Everyone is subscribing to my channel, so subscribe so you can stay ahead of the curve, so you can come to my show, so you can flow. Comment down below so we both can grow. Like and share this video so everyone can know how to make millions of dough. Subscribe so we both can thrive. Join the millionaire tribe. Watch this video until the end to win the grand prize. It's showtime. Congratulations! Now that you watched my video, you are one step closer to becoming a multi-millionaire like me. I have more than $100 million in my Robinhood account. And that's just in my Robinhood account. I have a lot more in all my banks, in my Webull account, in my M1 Finance account. If you guys want free $200, download the Robinhood app for free using my link below. If you guys want free $1,000, use my link below for a chance to win $1,000 on my Webull account. And if you want a chance to win $25, make sure you download the app using my link in the description below. Subscribe to my channel so I can go over more news, more companies, and more stocks. I'll cover the earnings per share, the charts, the trends, the ratings, the news, the Sortino ratio and Sharpe ratio, market correlation, PE ratio, cash flow, balance, statements, net assets and liabilities, and many more. Just for watching this video, I'm going to give you the chance of winning the grand prize. For your chance to win, subscribe to this channel and comment down below, future millionaire. That's what you want to write in the comments below. Write future millionaire. For every social media website you share this video, it will increase your chance of winning the grand prize. Share this video on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, to all your social media accounts to increase your chance of winning the grand prize. Congratulations. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below the words future millionaire, and don't forget to share this video so you can win the grand prize. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing. We might make a part 3 soon. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Oh, and check out our last video here. Bye.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money.
Dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no
festen alla dagar. Guldfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Guldfest hela dagen.